When working with a group of clients, you may want to take data on the same program for each client in the group using the same parameters. Unitas Therapy Intelligence allows you to bulk assign identical programs to each client simultaneously to facilitate this setup. Once assigned, the programs will be managed individually for each client. To begin, select Programs from the main menu, then Manage Programs. In the Manage Programs screen, instead of selecting an individual client from the list, go to the Bulk Assign button at the top of the screen. From this list of assigned clients, select the applicable clients by clicking the buttons in the Select column. You can select as many clients as you'd like. Note that if you don't see a client in this list, check with your administrator to see if they need to be assigned to you. Review the clients you have selected by scrolling to the bottom of the screen. If you would like to remove a client, click the red Cancel Selection button beneath their picture. Once you have selected your clients for the group, click Assign Programs at the top of the screen. From this screen, you can again review the clients that have been selected for the group using the Selected Clients button. To make changes to this selected clients list, use the Back button to go to the previous screen. Now you can assign programs to the group. Search in the template catalog for the program you wish. You can use the filters at the top of the screen to narrow your search, or use the search boxes at the top of the columns, or search by pages using the page numbers or arrows. See more details about a particular program by selecting the Preview button. And when you're ready to select a program, choose the plus button in the Select column. Configure the program as you wish. Note that detailed instructions for assigning programs can be found in the Help Center. Repeat this process until you've added all the desired programs. Then click the Finish button at the top of the screen. Enter a name for your program list and any optional summary information which displays on the program list detail page. And when you're ready, click the Confirm Program List Setup button to finish. The newly created program list will now appear among the program lists for all clients that were included in the bulk assignment. View the session history, edit configuration, and perform other tasks from each individual client's program list detail page in Manage Programs. While the initial list is able to be set up identically across clients, any further modifications or additional programs must be added to each program list individually. When you wish to run the program list for these clients, go to Run Program and choose it from each client's options. Selecting Run List or Add to the Program Queue will automatically enable the Program Queue icon at the top of the workspace, making it easy to jump between sessions with each client.